Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Future Mari once again, introducing the same video but except part 2. So yeah, this is just part 2 of my moving vlog into my new apartment. Again, want to bring you guys on a journey with me. So if you enjoyed part 1, then you'll definitely enjoy this part 2. This part is more detailed with me organizing different things inside of my bedroom, bathroom, closet, all of that. So you will enjoy it. So that's it. I'm not gonna keep you guys here any longer. Go ahead and enjoy this moving vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So I just moved into my new apartment yesterday. All furniture, everything is in, but it's a mess in here. All the boxes and everything. So gotta get to organizing. I ordered a couple of things off Amazon like that. Right there in the back. I'm gonna put my sunglasses in there. So this is my room so far. So I'm gonna just get to organizing everything. So I ordered these little like storage bins off Amazon. They're like little cubes. I'm gonna put all these in my closet, like organizing some of the stuff that can fit in these to help make it look a little neat. So as I was saying earlier, I ordered a couple things off Amazon and I literally just got like 5 things in the mail today. This is one of them. Is a shower caddy for my shower, because my shower doesn't have anything for me to like sit soaking stuff down, and I don't want to sit it in the tub, so I got this for it now. So once I get to the bathroom, I'm gonna hang this up. I got some other stuff too. So the cubes was one. I got a whole pack of these cubes. And I got this. Look at my purse. This is so cute. Okay, I'm on the floor of my closet. So I'm gonna start putting shoes on this shelf. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna organize this and put all the shoes. Okay guys, welcome back. So it's been a little bit of time and I made quite some progress so far. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just going through like all my lotion and perfume and stuff, and I'm reorganizing my shelf unit thing here again. Also just ordered me some food because I've yet to eat anything today. All this work is tiring and I'm hungry and I'm really ready to get in my bed. Okay, so this is everything that I've done in my closet so far. So I'm not completely done. And all 3 of these right here are full of clothes that I have to go through, but I'm gonna do that another time. I'm about to get start on my bathroom. Gotta hang clothes up. I only got those hung up, like the big stuff. But I gotta hang everything else up. And then like some other stuff goes in these drawers, because these drawers still completely empty. And I've organized the top of my dresser a little bit, kind of similar to how it was before. Got my glasses. Now I gotta go through like my bathroom stuff. But first I need to put this in the closet too. Let me see. Okay, so my food just got here. pollo. I ordered pollo. And I'm ready to eat and like lay down and watch some TV and stuff. So, but I still gotta like organize my bathroom and everything. So I'm about to like try to organize my bathroom stuff real quick inside my bathroom. And I'm gonna try to make this quick because I'm ready to eat. So like this is like how it's looking so far. I just got my shower caddy in the mail earlier today. So yeah, it just looks like that. So I'm about to start filling it up with just a couple of things. I'm not finna like fully organize my bathroom right now. I'm just about to like run through everything, like a couple things, because for one, it's still some more stuff that I'm waiting on for Amazon. One is my trash can for my bathroom because I still don't have one. So let me fill this up really quick. First, Dove, of course. I need some champagne toast shower gel and twisted peppermint body wash. Shaving gel. Okay, so I have a lot of razors. I always buy them, then lose the pack after taking like one out or two. So in the process of moving, I found a lot of my new razors that had never been used before. Just one left, two left, another one left. So I'm gonna just take one of these, hang it up in here, like a lot. Base towel. This is my base towel and this is my dry towel, so that it's easier to get to when I take a shower. I don't have to worry about grabbing it from here. Loofah. Take the tag off of this. Hang the loofah up here. That's it for that. So now I'm just focus on getting a lot of this stuff on the cabinets and everything. And once I'm done doing this really quick, because I'm about to speed through this, I'm gonna fix my bed and then I'm done for the day. Or for the time being. I might do something else later on tonight, I don't know. So this is just a bag that I got from Walmart for like baby bags, you know, because you always need extra towels. So I'm just gonna sit it down here. Oh, I almost forgot. So I got these cute jars off Amazon that I'm gonna use in my bathroom. So let me see. I'm gonna put my tampons in one. Let me figure out which one I think it'll fit better in. Once I'm completely done like organizing everything in here and I'm like completely settled in, I'm gonna do a full room tour, full updated room tour. Okay, this is what my bathroom looks like for now, so far. So some Febreze, some Fiji White Sands, foaming hand soap from Bath & Body Works, which I do need to go back to because I need more hand soap and I need more candles. Got my 3 jars here full of floss. So if anybody comes to my house and needs to brush their teeth, they can just grab some floss right afterwards. Some face pads for when I clean my face, when I do my skincare, and tampons. Then underneath here is just all my stuff that I have, which will get organized eventually. I have some containers so far, but I'm gonna just wait. I don't feel like doing it right now. So So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm just gonna fix my bed. Okay, I'm about to fix my bed, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna relax. Okay, so this is my bed. So yeah, I'm done for now. Now I'm gonna find me a movie to watch while I eat my food. And I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's a new day. And your girl just got a package in the mail. And these are also my containers that I was talking about. I only have 2 so far, so I'm gonna get more to like help organize the stuff in my bathroom. So we gonna get to that. Okay, so for starters, this is my trash can for my bathroom that I just got. Okay, I got interrupted because my grandma called me, so. But we're gonna go ahead and open up this package. So I'm gonna sit y'all down. Okay, this is nice. And it's a pretty color. So you just step on this, then you open it up. My shower curtain kind of looks purplish on camera, but it's like a dark brown. So now I'm just gonna try to organize some of this stuff under the cabinet a little bit. For now, I'm gonna work with what I got for now. So again, I got these from Amazon, and I only have 2 for now, so I'm not gonna be able to put everything, because it's a lot more stuff I need to buy anyway. So I'm gonna just work with what I got for now, and I'm gonna just keep organizing it as I get more stuff. Okay, so I'm all done for right now. So air freshener, some hand soap. So underneath here, this is what it looks like for now once I get more products and more stuff to organize. So hair stuff, skincare stuff, plus some hand soaps in the back as well, just because I didn't have anywhere else to sit them for now. So like some more hand soaps from Bath and Body Works, and that, and then that. So this is what it's gonna look like for now. Okay everyone, so I'm about to start putting my clothes up, because truthfully I'm really just about done like with my room, and putting my clothes up is literally like basically the only thing that I really haven't not done yet. Like this whole dresser is still completely empty. Still got this bin full of clothes, this bag. So I'm about to start filling my dresser up and putting some clothes in a hanger to hang up in my closet, and I'm gonna play some music off my TV while I do so. Okay, welcome back everybody. So I just came back from Walmart, got a couple of things, some more hangers, and I got 4 new pillows. They're all stacked up there to go on my bed. Get some more deodorant, and that's about it, and just like some food, like some snacks or whatever. So about to continue putting some of my clothes up.